you should have it over there.
What is it
Okay?
called? The name?
Bhakti Sangha.
Bhakti Sangha says? Okay.
Yeah. Okay, it should be on the same email which you have sent it, because many of them have got and they've checked it in their junk and then they've got it.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll start.
Mataji, even I don't have it. I
Yeah,
checked.
just
like,
check it in the
it's
junk
not there.
emails or in the spam emails.
Mataji, I checked spam and junk, but it was not there.
Yeah, same for me, Mataji.
Just check which email ID you have given. If you have given another email ID and you're checking onto another one, then it might be you might not see it.
How do
Right?
we check what email we put in?
That's a big question. Because
How to?
yeah, let me see if I can send it. But then when I resend it again, many of them have got it. Okay, because when I checked with my son, he had it in the very first time, but he had it in the junk. Okay, so just go and see your spam messages or junk messages, and in that it should be there. Bhakti Sangha, that was sent last week, so you might have to just scroll down a little bit. Okay. If at all you do not get it, then again in the call tomorrow we'll just talk for 2 minutes about it, and then I can send you personally everyone again an email. I'll send you. Okay. Okay, so let's start with our class. Yeah, let's start with our class. Om, yeah, everything together. Om Ajnanaatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Namo Vishnu
Padaya Sudedev Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya
Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya
Prabhu
Prabhu
Nityananda
Shri Advaita Gadadhara
Sadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare.
Okay. Don't try to check your emails now, because then you might get lost in them. Later on you can check it. If you did not get it, we can just I'll have to send your scores directly to your email. Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so then okay, we all should read it. Yes, Mukund, go ahead.
मत्ता सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुद्धा भाव समन्विता. Hare Krishna.
Very good.
Mataji.
Ramachandra, Nandini, can you both to say it together?
Okay. Sarvam pravartate iti buddha samanvita.
Very good. Okay, Balaram, do you want to read the translation? Balaram, are you there? Okay, Shri Krishna, can you read the translation?
Sure, Mataji. I am the source of all spiritual and material. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly know this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts.
Okay, so now can we say this verse without looking? Everybody together.
Aham
Aham
Sarvasya
sarvasya
Prabhava Matta Sarvam Pravartate Iti Mattva Bhajante Mam Buddha Bhava Samanvita.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. So good that you are done with this, right? Okay, so then we'll go to the next verse. If anybody feels that they are not done with this verse, okay, Balaram and Varun, can you both say this verse together?
Okay, Mataji. Machita Magata Prana Bodhayanta Paraskaram Katayantascha Nityam Tushyanti Cha Ramanti Cha.
Very good. Balaram, do you want to read the translation?
Oh, yes, Mataji. The thoughts of my pure devotees dwell in me. Their lives are fully devoted to my treasures, and they
Derive.
derive gets great satisfaction and bliss from always enlightening one another and conversing about me.
Very good. Okay, so now what we have done so far, we have known, right? Like we had seen that Mother Yashoda, when Krishna came running to her, that he did not see her in the morning, and Mother Yashoda was thinking that, okay, I'll make some butter for my Krishna so that he does not go and steal anywhere. What happened was Krishna came, he got up and he came running to Mother Yashoda, and then Mother Yashoda, she picked him up, but then at the same time she realized that the milk was boiling on the pot, and that is the reason she had to go and attend the milk. So we did this in a very compressed form because today we are going to see the next part of the story. Now what we saw in this was,
I was so waiting for this day last.
you were waiting. That's nice. Okay, so see over here what we have said, Tushan teacher, Raman teacher. That means those devotees who are conversing about me. So then, and those devotees, they derive great satisfaction when they are talking about Krishna, when they are meditating upon Krishna, and when they're thinking about Krishna all the time. So again, we are going to emphasize more on this part over here today, that how do we see what happens in the further part, that everybody is thinking about Krishna, conversing about him, thinking about him, and that is what makes those devotees the pure devotees. Now in Vrindavan, who are the pure devotees?
The Brajavasi.
The Brajavasis. Very good, very good. Okay, so now we are going to go to the next part over here. So over here it is asked, like, you feel that Mother Yashoda, she left Krishna on the ground and she went. That means, was the milk on the pot so much important for her than Krishna? Can you all answer? Was the milk more important or was Krishna more important?
No, Krishna was more important.
So she
Actually,
dropped-
that milk was for Krishna.
Okay, very good. So she, like, we were thinking that like, maybe was Krishna more important or was the milk more important? Why did Mother Yashoda think about the milk so much that when Krishna was calling out for her, she picked him up, and when she realized the milk was there, she left him. But you know what? There is a this question is answered in such a beautiful way that Mother Yashoda, the Mataji has already talked about it, so we'll go quick over it. For the milk for Krishna, it was like, out of those 900,000 cows which they had, some cows were selected which were very good like they were giving very good sweet milk. Out of that again, some more cows were selected. Out of that again, some cows were selected, and there were 5 to 7 cows which were really, really, really meant for Krishna. Okay, that means Mother Yashoda would take milk them, and then she would carefully boil the milk, and then she would set the yogurt, and then she would churn the butter. So it was like she had a lot of meditation on that. Like, my son Krishna should get the best milk. And when she saw that the milk which was there for Krishna is boiling and is going to go to waste, then she had to make that hard decision. Okay, I have to do it for Krishna, so I have to leave Krishna for a minute on the ground, and I'll take the pot out of the flame, and I'll come quickly. Okay, so was it that Mother Yashoda, now can you answer, was Mother Yashoda thinking about Krishna or was Mother Yashoda thinking about the milk?
Mataji, both.
Yeah, both.
Okay. Yes, and so she was thinking about the milk because the milk was for Krishna. Okay, did it answer your questions, or did that doubt get cleared off about this? Like, who was more important? Now, when we come to this question and when we get this answer, it is also explained in the Gopal Champu, where Srila Jiva Goswami explains that he writes it that the word composed of the bliss of Radha and Krishna, and those who desire to see Vraja and to attain Golaka will achieve that destination by his work. That means in Srimad Bhagavatam also it is said in detail that those who are meditating on Krishna, those who are thinking about the desires of Krishna, they attain the best destination. And over here, what we have seen that Mother Yashoda was already thinking about Krishna, and she was thinking how to please Krishna, how to make Krishna happy. So that is one thing which everybody is to think. Haribol.
You did.
Yeah. So if everybody we think about that, then what happens is Krishna is going to be happy. And when Krishna is happy, we are going to be happy, right? Remember last time or last week, we also explained about the transcendental bliss. That means Krishna is happy when we are happy, and we are happy when Krishna is happy, right? So it's like two-way reciprocation from us and Krishna. Now, even Lord Brahma also mentions that, see, all these gopis, all these gopas, all the Vrajavasis which are there, they have given their life and soul to you. They have done everything for you, Krishna. Now, what is left of them? Only if you play your flute, the gopis, they forget about how they are dressed, they forget about their children, they forget about their husbands, and they come running to you. The cows, when they hear the flute, they forget everything and then they come running to you. Right? See over here, all the cows. So the Brajavasis, everything, each and every part of Vrindavan has done only things for Krishna. They have left. See, what does Lord Brahma say is, what is left of you to give these devotees of Vrindavan, whose homes, wealth, friends, dear relations, bodies, children, and very life and heart are all dedicated only to you, Krishna? See, that means if we are going to dedicate everything to Krishna, it will be so easy for us, right? And this is that is really a trick, right? Leaving everything and going. If we have to go to the temple also, and suppose it's our exam next day, we think, oh, tomorrow is my exam, right? Sometimes we think practically as well. But these people in Vrajava, the Vrajavasis are so dedicated to Krishna, they do not think about anything else. Now, next part over here is okay. Sorry, I have to mute some of them if it is getting noisy. Okay. Okay, so now Mother Yashoda, she was always thinking about Krishna, right? She thought about Krishna every now and then, like how she can make him happy, how she can do things for him. She did not want him to steal butter because she thought that, okay, maybe my butter is not good. So she tried to make everything for Krishna. So she took care of Krishna day and night. And she always thought that it was my duty. It is my duty to take care of my son. How many of you feel that your parents think that it is their duty to do it, right? It's feel that it's a duty to take care of the children, and they do not do it as an obligation. They do not do it as they have to do it, but they do it out of what they do it out of love, right? Same way with Mother Yashoda. See, she used to always like think about Krishna when he's sleeping. She used to feed him. She used to attend him so well. Her life was every time centered around Krishna. Whether it was the Kaliya Madan, she was scared that why is my son going and dancing on the Kaliya, or when it was the Govardhan, every time Mother Yashoda was always concerned about her son. You remember in the camp we did about the what we did, that play we did with the puppets, when Krishna was given the slippers by Mother Yashoda, how she was thinking about him that he's going to now go to the pasture, so he'll need some slippers to wear on. Now, when this all was going on, she was also angry on Krishna during this Damodar Leela, right? And that time, Krishna, he knew that this scolding and this punishment is only out of the love and affection of Mother Yashoda, right? Mother Yashoda was not really
Mataji,
mad. Yes,
I have a question.
yes.
Was Kamsa sent from heaven to perform a pastime, or was he born on earth?
No, actually, Kamsa was actually like Hiranyakashipu. Like there's like a story behind this. So when Hiranyakashipu's grandsons were not worshiping him, so and then like he was like to his father, because like he's supposed to train them like to worship him, because they say that he's God, even though he's not. But so he says that he is God. So then Hiranyakashipu curses the grandsons and the father to, and he tells the grandson that you will be killed by your own father. So Hiranyakashipu's son became Kamsa, and the grandsons became the 10 sons that were the 6 sons that were killed by Kamsa.
Thank you, Ramachandra. Thank you so much.
And Mataji also, so Prabhuji told me that the 8 sons are the 8 anarthas.
Yes, yes, Keshav. Yes. Very good. Very nice. You all are reading, right? Soon we are going to have a reading session also. Okay, we'll announce that soon. And you will love to read that. Okay, maybe this week we'll announce that.
I'm reading the first
Okay. Yeah, and that. Okay, so Mother Yashoda's, and so when she got angry also, it was Krishna who knew that it was out of her love that she was getting angry on Krishna. So we are going to have the story also about it. Okay, that Mother Yashoda, she was angry at him. And where is that? Okay. Wait, that's right. I was just going to think. Okay. Now, see, we'll first read the story and then we will go over that. Okay. I am going to have this over here. Yeah. So now Kamsa, when Krishna and Balaram were called to Mathura, what happened? Like Krishna, he wanted, so Kamsa, he wanted to kill Krishna, right? And then he had those wrestlers first wrestle with him, and he was very proud of those wrestlers, and he thought that those wrestlers are going to kill Krishna in 1 second. So when they were confronted with Krishna, what happened was Mushtika and Chanura, they were the two wrestlers which went in, and it happened that Krishna and Balaram, they started fighting with them. Now what it is explained is that when these two were fighting, it was like, was okay, you all can answer it. Okay, was it that Krishna and Balaram were getting hurt by it,
No.
or what was?
No,
No, then
they
what was
they
what?
weren't even hurt at all.
Yes. So they weren't even hurt at all, right? And it was as if, like when Mushtika was confronted by Balaram and Chanura was confronted by Krishna, it felt they were punching each other, right? Because they're going to have a fight. They're not going to hug each other. They were definitely punching each other. So when they were punching each other, it is explained in books that it was as if an elephant is garlanding Krishna. It felt as if the elephant is garlanding Krishna, and Krishna and Balaram did not get hurt by it. But at the same time, it is also explained that they were enjoying the fight. Now, who enjoys fight? When you are fighting with someone, do you enjoy the fight? You get angry and you get,
Sometimes,
no, right?
sometimes,
Yeah, but Krishna over here and Balaram, they were both were enjoying the fight. You know, sometimes when you have a fight with your father, you say your father like, "Come on, let's fight." Like maybe a pillow fight or maybe just a fist fight, whatever you're doing for fun. That time your father pretends, oh, that he's getting hurt, or you might pretend that you're punching hard, right? And your father does might not get hurt, and he might smile as well. When suppose your small baby sister or baby brother, they are having a fight with you, you don't get hurt by their small bumps, right? Whatever they do. So this is the same thing which happened over here. Krishna and Balaram, they were not at all getting hurt by it. Okay. And what is explained is Krishna was enjoying this. Okay. Now just like pay attention to this. In the fight between these two demon like personalities, Krishna was enjoying that. But when Mother Yashoda was scolding him, he was scared, he was frightened, and he got angry. Why did my mother drop me and go? Can you imagine now? The demons, they are fighting, and Krishna is happy. And Mother Yashoda, she dropped Krishna, and Krishna was angry. Okay, there is an irony in between all this. And Krishna got angry, and he started breaking the pots and everything. And over here, Krishna, look, he's smiling when he's fighting with the demons. Okay, now this is one part. The second part is that though Krishna was angry with Mother Yashoda is a great devotee. And though Krishna was happy with these demons, these are not devotees.
Bad
Can you
demon.
think about that? I'm going to have that slide posted. Okay, here. See this one, right? Yes. See, Krishna's enjoying fights with Mushtika and Chanura, and these fights are pleasing Krishna. But Mother Yashoda, he's angry with Mother Yashoda because Mother Yashoda dropped him and went. And Mother Yashoda upset, Krishna is so upset with Mother Yashoda. And yet, Mother Yashoda is a great devotee. Can you think now, what is it really? Who is going to volunteer to answer that? I see Varun's hand raised. Yes, Varun. Can you please start your video, Varun? We want to see you.
Mataji, can you say the question again?
Yeah, the question is, these demons, they were fighting, really fighting with Krishna, but Krishna was happy with them. But Mother Yashoda, she was doing things like she kept Krishna down and she went away to attend the milk, and Krishna was very mad at her. But still, Mother Yashoda is a great devotee, and the demons are really demons who are not good. How is this explained? How can we explain this? We should feel that if Krishna is angry on his mother, that means his mother is not a devotee. And when Krishna is happy with the demons, that means they are devotees. So how do we explain that?
It's like it's switch, Mataji.
Is a switch? Anybody wants to answer?
Mataji,
Ramachandra?
it's opposite.
Okay, Keshavi, I'm going to spotlight you. Yes, Keshavi? Yes, Keshavi. It's opposite, you said, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Keshav wants to do. Yes, Keshav?
So you can explain this because both of them are like, one is upsetting Lord Krishna, the other one is making Krishna happy. But so Krishna is like materially getting angry, but he's not really getting angry, and he's getting happy fighting with these demons. It's like type of like a time pass for these demons.
Okay. Exactly. Nice word coined, Keshav. Varun, you have raised your hands. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, in the inside, Krishna's really like super happy, but then like outside, he is like very like happy, and he likes what Mother Yashoda's doing.
Okay. So now we'll go, and you know what? This part is going to be nicely explained by tomorrow's class. So I just want you to think over it, okay? Because there is one important word which Mataji will coin in, and then you will be able to understand what exactly it is. Okay. So see over here, it is that these are demons who are trying to trouble the Lord, but over here Mother Yashoda is doing things keeping the Lord away. But you have to think over here that Mother Yashoda is doing things for the positive things for Krishna, right? She's thinking about Krishna and she is having a positive attitude towards Krishna. Over here, though the Lord is happy, but what is it that is going on in Mushtika and Chanura's mind? Do they want to hurt Krishna or do they want to please Krishna?
Please.
Hurt Krishna.
They want to hurt
Mataji,
Krishna.
today I heard a lecture by Amarendra Prabhu, and it's similar to this, but instead of Mustik and Charun, there is Balahadev versus Hiranyaksha.
Okay.
So
And over
when
here,
Hiranyaksha slaps Balahadev, he becomes so pleasureful,
right,
even though
right,
he's a
right.
demon, and he's not doing it on purpose. But then but Krishna, he's so angry at Yashoda Maharani, even though
Yeah.
she's a devotee.
Right. So over here we have to think that this is a transcendental bliss which they are experiencing, right? Mother Yashoda and baby Krishna. So we have to again think over here. Mother Yashoda, whom is she thinking about? That is the reason we had the first question, right? Whom is she thinking about? She's thinking about Krishna, and she's thinking about the milk which she has to give to Krishna. So everything is at the end coming and landing on Krishna to make Krishna happy. Okay. Did she want to hurt Krishna by keeping him down? No. Did she want to give him the milk so that he grows up well?
Yes.
Yes, right. So at the end, it is that she was thinking about Krishna. I'm still not bringing that word into between, because then tomorrow, tomorrow's class, we will have that in detail. So now you have to understand that what is the thinking which is going on in Mother Yashoda's mind, and what is thinking going on in Mushtika and Chanura's mind. So they wanted to hurt Krishna, but Mother Yashoda wanted to please Krishna. Okay. And because when you try to please Krishna, then you become the good devotee to Krishna, right? And these two demons did not want to please Krishna in any way. So they were the demons and they were the non-devotees. You understand the difference between both of them now? Very good.
Yes, Mataji.
Right. And now see, you remember last time we talked that the churning did not happen only once, it happened twice, right? Once it is Mother Yashoda is churning the butter, and the next it is when the churning of the milk ocean also took place, right? Now when we know that, okay, that the demons were punching Krishna, and we said that Krishna was not at all getting hurt, there is the second example of this churning of the milk ocean also, when the Lord found out
Mataji,
that
I don't understand, because you said first it was Krishna, I mean Mother Yashoda churning the butter.
Mhm.
Then it was the then you said it was the churning of the milk ocean. But wasn't the Kuma avatar first before Krishna avatar?
No, dear. No. You know what? What I said was that the churning, this word churning, it is in two references we have seen that. First, we have seen that how Mother
Okay.
Yashoda was churning the butter, and the second story about related to churning is about the milk ocean. Okay?
Yeah, you said churning first example. That's why I got confused, because Kuma
Okay.
avatar was first.
Yeah, the
Right.
milk.
Good to hear from you, Advait. We missed you in the Friday
Mataji.
classes.
Yes, Mataji.
I don't know the story about the milk ocean.
Okay, you know what? We will soon do it today, because we will should run short of time. But let me see if we can do it. Okay, once we'll finish this part first. So it is that when this churning of the milk ocean was done, what happened? The demons and the demigods, they both wanted the amrit which was going to come out from the, or the treasure which was going to come out from the milk ocean. Now when this treasure was going to come out, how are we going to divide that? That was also one main question. But before that, the question arose that the Mandara mountain, which was going to be the rod like thing which was going to be help the churning, everything happened, that how is it going to do? Because if it was just going to stand still, it was going to wobble and it was going to fall back. So they needed a solid ground on which this Mandara mountain could be placed. And that is the time when the Lord took the Kurma avatar as a tortoise, and then he was, wait, see this photo, you can see the Lord, he took the tortoise shape or the tortoise avatar, and then the Mandara mountain was placed on the Lord, and then with the Vasuki as the rope, and then they started churning it. Okay, I'll send you a link also, Sri Lakshmi, and maybe we'll do it again in one of the classes. Okay, so when this Mandara mountain was held on the back, it is seen that the Lord over there came as a tortoise. So does it mean that the Lord got a lot of hurt when he was there as a tortoise?
Nope, because he has a shield.
Liking it. It was tickling him.
Yeah.
Yes. It was as if when the demons and the devatas, they both were churning it. Churning means they are taking it like it is the tug of war you do, right? How do you the tug of war? One side pulls up, the other side pulls up. It was as if the back of the Lord was tickling. He did not get any hurt, because the Lord has no suffering, right? He is always in bliss. And the Lord enjoys when, yeah. See, he is Ananda Brahma. He is ever blissful and he's always satisfied. So you do not like when the demons are doing something, it is not that the Lord, oh, the Lord is getting so much of pain. He's not getting pain. He waits till these demons reach their highest point of doing wrong things, and then he punishes them. Which is the best example for that? that the Lord waited because he had promised the mother of that.
Shishupal.
Yes.
Shushupal Mataji.
Shishupal, right?
He got 99 mistakes. He wanted to get
Yeah, he was
Yes,
he
he
had a
had a
limit of
boon of 100.
3 went to
Right, right,
199.
right. So this is what is seen, that the Lord has no suffering. He's Keval
Mataji.
Ananda.
Every time Keshari unmutes her phone, there's an echo.
Okay, Keshavi, are you there on 2 devices? I think Keshav, if you are there on 2 devices, then you might be getting echo. So if you can log out from one of the device, then there won't be any echo. Okay. So see, the Lord never feels any pain or dissatisfaction. Rather, he does things for the pleasure of the devotees, right? See, that whatever is going to satisfy them. If these 2 demons were satisfied fighting with him, he let them fight with them. And he is not going to be suffering because he's always satisfied, right? And the main topic of this our today's class was, Balavrinda, are you not there today? Vinita Mataji?
Mataji, she's here. Yeah, Mataji, sorry.
Okay, I didn't hear you, Balavrinda. I missed you. Okay, so everybody's understood this part, what we have done today? Okay, so today's main concentration was that though how Mother Yashoda was like how Krishna was angry with Mother Yashoda, then to how Mother Yashoda is the best devotee of the Lord, great devotee of the Lord. And though these demons have tried to be so bad to Krishna, and but still they were pleasing Krishna, but that they are demons, because it depends upon what you are meditating on, whether you're doing it for Krishna or you're doing it against Krishna. Okay, so always have that in mind. Whenever you do anything, you have to think, am I doing things which Krishna is going to love, or am I going to do things which is going to make Krishna upset? Okay, everybody good with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now I'm going to stop share and I want to do one thing. Let me see, I hope I can do it. Mataji, Vinita Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji is a craft.
Yeah, 1 second. Mataji, I have to screen the, I have to share the screen where the Govinda forms are there. The exam paper is there.
You can share it, Mataji.
How do I share it?
First, you open that forms.
Yeah, I am on that screen now.
Then you select the screen. Share. You go.
I have more.
Okay, let me see. How do I go with that? Okay, 1 second.
Just you go near the share and select that particular document, whatever you want to share.
Yes. That is sharing. Okay. Yeah. Everybody sees this now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Good. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. I don't know what we could do without you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Oh,
Now
Mataji,
you
we
know-
have another exam.
No. You don't have an exam, but you know,
We're just revising.
yeah, because there were some things which you everybody has like jumbled up in that. Okay, first thing, when you receive your paper, what will happen is you might see that see the how does the Google form work is that if I have if the answers are fed in that, like FALSE, okay, false, and if the F is capital is what we have put up the answer, and in your answer when you have written F in the small letters, then what happens is the Google form gives it a wrong. Okay, because of the font which is not right. So
Yes,
that is the
Mataji.
reason-
I noticed that when I got my results.
yeah, so that is the reason I had to manually give you
Mataji, what was the email you guys sent for the results?
Bhakti Sangha, and it is definitely in your junk. Okay, just check it. If it is not there, we'll do something about it. So now see, in Ajamila's childhood, okay, these part everybody has got it right. Yeah, most of them have got it right. Okay, I want everybody to pay attention. Okay, in Ajamila's childhood, Ajamila was learned. He was very respectful. He chanted Vedic mantras. What is the answer over here? All of the above. Okay.
The above.
Yeah. So many of them have got. Okay, you know what? This will not go ahead. So let me just. Okay, maybe this is one form only, no? It will go. Okay, so then when that was there, so what we did was all of the above. And then next one when we go is Mother Earth provided all the necessities for her inhabitants when Chitraketu ruled because
He was
Because-
a
Mataji, I didn't get it.
Okay, first now pay
Mataji,
attention
I
to this
didn't get
answers.
it.
Okay, first pay attention to this answers over here, and in the WhatsApp group you can send it so that we will know exactly who hasn't got it. Okay, because I might forget now. If you tell me, put it in the WhatsApp group if you haven't received the answer papers. Okay, he was a good and pious king. King Bharata renounced and left to the forest because he
wanted to
spend time meditating on the Supreme Lord.
he planned to spend time and okay, Keshav, are you paying attention? Okay, I want you to pay attention. Okay, for Ajamila, Kama was everybody is messed up. Many of them have messed up in this question. For
wrong
Ajamila,
type
Kama
of
was what?
association,
It
Mataji.
was a wrong type of association. She was not a right type of association. Okay. And Bharat Maharaj was forced to take his next birth as a deer because his final thoughts was about
Who will take care of my deer now? Who will give him
of the deer
protection?
now. Who will give him protection? Right. Ajamila's last son was named.
Narayana.
Okay.
No, Tamna.
Yes. So which question which we have messed up? I'll tell you over there. Okay. The hunger of the heart can be satisfied.
Only
Only by Krishna's love.
Very good. With Krishna's
Only with
love.
Krishna's love.
Yes. Chitraketu's cause of lamentation was that he did not have.
A son.
son. Very good.
But like
Pay
this is
attention, okay?
easy.
Yes, but there are some mistakes which are done. That is the reason I just want to go through with everything. If some diverts us from our goals and good habits, then it is considered as
Bad association.
bad association.
Bad
See, when you are
association.
reading, yeah, when you are answering this test, read the question well, okay? Because that is very important. Did we miss out on something? Yeah. The special benediction that Bharat Maharaj had in his dear body was that when
He
got
could
the dear
remember
body,
his past life.
he could
He
remember
could
his
remember
past
his
life.
past life.
Very good. Okay. So now in the next part again. Yes. Everybody pay attention. So when you get your answer papers, you can go through it where you went wrong. As a result, now over here, you know what? You had to. Okay, pay attention, everyone. Haribol. So see, you had over here some words given, and then you had to choose from these words. Okay. But I have seen that many of you have put up your own words. Okay. So, but we haven't cut marks over there. Okay. Because now see over here, it is written envious, but many of you have written jealous. So we did not cut marks over there because your intention or you have understood the concept. Once we have found out that you understood the concept, we have not cut marks over there. Like we will go on the next question and I'll see. Okay. As a result of the mantra received from Angira Rishi, Chitraketu got darshan of
Antadeva.
Anantadeva, right?
Anantadev.
Yeah, so many of you wrote Krishna. I've still given you marks. You said God, we've still given you marks because at least you have understood it. But over here, some of them said, some of them had written Vishnu Duta. That time I could not give marks over there. Okay. So
I wrote Ananti Devai.
that's okay. The spelling is wrong also. Still you've got marks.
Mataji, will you give points if you said Lord Sesha?
Yes, we've given marks. Once you understood that you've understood all the concepts, you've got marks for it. Okay. Hearing Ajamila's cry, the dash appeared there. Vishnu Dutas, right?
Mataji, instead of envious, I just put jealous. Is that okay?
Yes, you've still got marks for it. Okay, I did not cut marks for that. Angira Rishi said the son born to Chitraketu would be a source of both happiness and
Distress.
purification of mind is possible by using mind in
Krishna's service. In Krishna's service.
yes, Keshavi. Yes,
I have a
Keshavi.
question, Mataji.
Yes, Keshavi.
What if we spell it wrong and we don't really
That's
know how
okay.
to spell it?
We've still given you marks. Okay, if your spelling is wrong, still you've got marks. Now over here, many of them have written purification of mind is possible by using the mind in Krishna consciousness, by mind in chanting. You're using the mind on God. and you have still got marks for it, okay? Because these are all the different ways and means by which you can purify your mind, okay? But next time we just pay attention that we will see to it what are the options given in the bracket, and then you'll have to choose from those options, okay? This is our first Google test, so that is the reason we have been lenient. Next time we will have maybe like this test we will have in the revision part, so that you get used to it. The queens were again dash of Kritaduti and hence poisoned the child.
Yes.
Jealous.
Jealous, yes. In the bracket, in the options which are given, it was written envious. But if you have written jealous, still you have got marks for it, okay? So don't worry about that. And everybody has got about 30, about 30. So you all have fared very nice, very well. But
Child germs.
Huh?
Child germs.
okay, Ajamila had made up all.
దూరం పెట్టుకోను దూరంగా పెట్టు
Okay, so Ajamila had made up for all his sins and atoned sufficiently simply by.
Saying the name Narayan.
Saying the names of Vishnu or Narayana.
Yeah. See now everybody has a different thing, right? So chanting the word Narayan, right? So that was the answer for it. But if you have written something like chanting the son's name, chanting the Lord's name, you've still got marks for it, because as long as the Narayan word is coming into it. So after getting a dear body, Bharata is being born in a Brahmin family and acts like as if he is.
Madman.
Deaf and dumb.
See, now some of them have written mad, some have written dumb, then third one is dumb and deaf. If you have written any of these also, you have still got marks, okay? Some of them just have written as madman, you've still got marks, because that was the essence of the story. That he pretended that he was dumb, deaf, he was mad, he was not clever.
Madman. That is why he was called Jadabhara.
Yeah, so you've got the marks for that as well. We are bound by the laws made by. This was a tricky one in sense I've got all, we saw all sorts of answers in this.
Mataji,
Yeah, we are yes.
the like top for the answer key, so I can see which one. Like,
You
so
want to see you want to see the options?
yeah.
Okay, one second. Yeah, karma. See, many of them wrote God over there, and I then it was like, okay, some of them did not get marks for that, maybe. So we are bound by the laws of karma, right? Then somebody have written Maya, then we still give marks for it, because according to whatever you have felt, you have written that. So next time we will just see to it that you are going to follow the options which are given, okay? So anything out of the option, if it is not going along with it, then maybe the marks will not be given. Do you want us to be strict in checking, or do you want us to be lenient in checking? How do you want us to do it?
Reading and checking.
Okay.
Easy and checking.
That is the reason we'll check if you have understood the concept, and then we'll give it, okay? By the mercy of Vishnu Dutas, Ajamila received his dash chance.
Second chance.
His second chance.
Everybody has done that well. Every soul attains a particular destination based on his or her.
Reactions? Because I don't
Karma.
Yes, that is also over here, right? See?
Karma. Okay.
Karma.
But didn't we use karma already?
Yeah, that is the reason we had to go over it again. Wait, let me see that.
Mataji, since you
Yes, sir.
changed a couple of things, do we have to do the exam again?
No, you don't have to do the exam again.
But Mataji, will you give us like once you correct it again manually, will you send it to us again?
Yes, it is sent to you. It's already sent to you. See in your junk, Shri. Just check in your junk mails and you have it, okay?
Okay,
Maybe the
Mataji.
answer key is not given. So you can just mark your answers over here, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Okay. Ajamila used his second, now true or false. Over here, some of you have messed up only because maybe you did not read the question properly. Ajamila used his second chance wisely. True or false?
True.
True, right? It's true. Yamaraj himself asked for forgiveness as Yamadutas arrested Ajamila.
True.
Many of you messed up over here. True, it is true. Some of you have written false, but Yamaraj, he was himself like when he saw that his Yamadutas, they were trying to argue over there. He asked for forgiveness, right? For over there. So it is Yamaraj asked for forgiveness as Yamaduta arrested Ajamila, because when he came to know that he had uttered the name of Narayan, then he said that you cannot take them. You do not take Ajamil. You have to listen to the Vishnu Dutas. So it is the answer is true. Now again this one you have not read the question properly. For the soul there is birth and death.
No, false.
True.
False. False.
True. True.
False.
True.
False.
For a soul there is no birth and death, right? Just the body takes
no.
birth. Yeah.
No,
So got that?
The body takes birth, the soul does not.
Yes. Again over here also, goddess Kali raised her sword to kill Jadbharata.
No, false.
Now over here, goddess Kali, she did raise her sword, but did she raise it for to killing Jadbharata?
No, for the demon.
No. She did it to kill the dacoits, right? She did not do it for Jadbharata. So you have to read the question. The questions might be set tricky in a negative form also, so you have to read it properly. Bhakti uproots all sins.
True.
True. If you do bhakti, your sins are going to be your all anarthas will be gone, right? Chitraketu cursed goddess Parvati when she cursed him.
False.
False.
False. Chitraketu purposely wanted to offend Lord Shiva, and hence he hurt Parvati and Lord Shiva.
False.
False, right?
False.
He did not do anything of that sort. The best solution if one has committed Vaishnava aparadh is to go and ask forgiveness from the Vaishnava.
True.
True, right? We have the example of Amrish Maharaj. Yamaraj is one of the 12 Mahajans who know religious principles.
True.
That's true, right? Yamaraj is one of the 12 Mahajans. King Chitraketu then received a mantra from Narada and constantly chanted the mantra for 1 week. True, okay. Now over here there was a confusion for you all, because when we have done it, it is like Angira Muni and Narad Muni both were present, and Angira Muni gave him the mantra, right? So maybe the answer which was fed was false, but if you have written false and or true, we have given you marks because Narada and Angira Muni both were there when the boon was given, right? That he can see the Lord front to front. Yeah. So never mind with this question. So you have got the marks if you have written true or false. Now complete the shloka. Everybody is done it good. So those who have written not applicable over there, I just told some of them, those who joined late, not applicable. But I saw some of them who were there from the beginning of the class. They also wrote not applicable over there. NA. So if you have written NA means like those who joined late for our Govinda classes. Some of them had not done this verses. So we had told them if you are joined late, then you might just write that not applicable. I haven't learned this verse. Okay, so those who have done, those who have done that, see to it that you are learning this verse. Because at the next time when we are going to have a next activity, we are going to have a very beautiful activity wherein these verses and the words from these verses are going to be used. So see to it that you are learning this verse. And if you feel that you have not learned this verse, write it on a paper and put it in your whenever you study, or wherever you are having your food, or in wherever you brush your teeth. You can just stick that note over there. So wherever you see that verse, you at least read through it, and then in a week you will be able to memorize that verse. Okay, so those who joined late, just see to it that these verses are done by you. Okay, so these verses were done. Everybody's got marks in these verses, so there was no problem with it. Everybody's understood where at all you might have got wrong. We just wanted to go
Mataji.
through this question. Preeti Vilasini Mataji, do you want to share some more things?
No, Mataji, I think we are good. I just saw we are pretty good. There were a very few mistakes, but I think the kids have now understood, because sometimes the questions are quite tricky and it's confusing. So that's where the problem was. But overall, I think everyone has understood the concept, and that is most important. So it was good. It was a good experience, Mataji, for all of them. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. So
You'll get
Mataji is done.
100%, like incorrect.
Majority of you have got 100%, 35 out of 35. Some
Oh.
of them are there who have got 35 out of 35. Like I'm
But
just not going to mention
Got
names.
33 out of 30.
no, the marks
no,
don't
we're not-
matter because it's just your grade, right? So most of you have got all the grade that is needed. So that's
Right. Okay, just see how much you have understood from this part. This exam is just to see that, okay, like have you understood it?
Mataji, I didn't get this thing.
Who is this?
Advait.
Advait. Okay, Advait, let me Advait. Okay, what email ID you have given, Advait? You know what, those who haven't got it, can you please message on the WhatsApp group? So then those names will be there with me, and then I can just go with that and try
I
to
did
send it,
Mataji,
resend
but
it.
do I have to put the email ID the email also or no?
Now you might not, you cannot go back on the paper and do that. Just just put up your name on the WhatsApp group that Advait, I am Advait and I haven't received the marks, and then I'll try to resend it. And if at all it does not go by resending, then I will just send you the marks in the messages, in the WhatsApp message. Okay,
Mataji,
personally
one
I'll send it.
on what name the email is going to come to us, Mataji, or Bhakti Sangha or
Bhakti Sangha. Bhakti Sangha. You also did not see it, Mataji, as yet?
No, Mataji, I also did not see it.
Oh, then see it in your junk, Mataji, because for
Yeah,
Balvrinda,
that's
I
what
send
Vesh
it.
said. I will check it, Mataji. I'll check it.
Yeah. So those who did not get it, just send a message on the WhatsApp so that we know exactly. And then on that message, I can send a personal message to you, sending your marks. Okay. And please, everybody, check your junk. And also, there were some of them who were checking wrong emails. Okay. They have, like, they must have written in the exam paper, they have written their dad's email and it has gone on the, and then they are checking their mom's email. So don't do that. Some of them have sent the school ID. I don't know how it went, but then some school ID.
Mataji,
Somebody
is
has
it Bhakti Sangha Japa
Yes.
group at email? Oh, okay. Yeah, my dad got it, but it was spam.
Yes, it is in the spam. It's in the junk. So just check that again. Okay. So we are good for today. Everybody good?
Yes.
Mataji, I also got it. It's in
Okay.
spam.
Good. Okay. Just check your spam, junk, whatever it is, and then you can get it. Okay. You will find it over there. So we can end the call, Mataji. Okay.
Yes,
So we'll
Mataji.
end the
Oh,
call today.
Mataji, for my the one I have, it says it has two scores. One of them it says 33 out of 35, and the second one it says 21 out of 35.
Yes, so that 20 which is there, that is the self-generated from the Google. So you do not check that. The one message which I have sent you as the congratulations message, where it says that your score is this, and
Oh, okay.
congratulations. You can refer to only that one, okay?
Okay,
Because I
thank
told you, right? Because the Google
Okay,
sheet
Mummy.
will,
అన్ని
spelling
wrong
mistake
వచ్చి
is-
అన్నది. Oh,
if it
sorry.
is spelling mistake also, it will not take up. That's okay, Ojasvi. So if it is a spelling mistake also, the Google sheet will mark it wrong. That is the reason. Check the message which I have typed in. Okay, so you'll get two messages over there. Just see the message which I have typed with the congratulations word into it. Okay, good everyone.
Yes,
Hi,
Mataji.
good. So we'll end the call. Vancha kalpa tarubhyascha
Do evecha patita pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah.
Jai Shri Radha.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Bye. See you tomorrow.